Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We have the LED headlights, the gloss black front grills, and there's a look at the front end. Walking around to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. And then walking around to the rear, you find front and rear parking sensors. We also have a visual display and a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. But if you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. Got the storage net on the left hand side along with the charger as well. We also have a handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now. Coming into the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest on the centre and the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the M Sport style seat belts. We have the ambient lighting on the doors and also the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Same full leather interior at the front. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows. We also have the automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside and you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control on the left hand side, and we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard, other than letting us know about the fuel range. So we do have the main infotainment screen in the centre, plenty of features on here such as the sat-nav navigation. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. On here you find the sat-nav. We do also have the media, where you find the radio stations, with the music collection and the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go onto car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours, as you can see, which we can go through. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, we do have the climate control. We've got the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Inside of here, you find some storage space. We have the cup holders, a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just here. So as you can see, we have the adaptive drive mode, we have electric, hybrid, and also the sport drive mode as well just there. Also changes the look of the dashboard for the different drive modes, as you can see as we flick between them. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors as well appear on the screen. Put it back into park, we also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next to delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We also have the digital dashboard in front of us. We have the cruise control and the speedometer buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. If you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You could easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, controlled just down here, perfect for these cold winter mornings. Now we do have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, again packed full of features that you've just seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav, also has again plenty of features on there, with a little button just below there which is for the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control, the 3-zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency stop and put the car into reverse just to show the brakes and also to show you that the reversing camera work as they should do. So coming up to the industrial park now, put a right indicator on, start to slow down before making the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, reversing camera appears on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.